Hey Rocky, this is Jackie Otwell. We spoke briefly last week about me shooting you over this custom video, so I just wanted to go ahead and get into that for you. Throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to one of the top competitors within your area. So what I did first is I went ahead and Googled HVAC companies in Montgomery, Texas. This section up here is the sponsored section, so these people are paying for ads. And then down here is the Google Map Pack, which I can see that y'all are on there. And then this is the organic section, so this is where the actual ranking begins. So the number one competitor within your area would be this Cal AC, so that is who I'm going to compare you to in this video. So I went ahead and pulled up their website, and first thing I'm going to do is talk about content. So content is any of the verbiage or wording throughout the website. We're going to talk specifically about the verbiage, the content that is on this homepage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste all of that into this word counter and see how many words they have. So they have about 700 words of content on their homepage. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same with your website. So, oops, let me go ahead and copy all of that, put it into that word counter, and you have about 283 words. So Google actually recommends having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being, Google recognizes the content when it's past a certain point, and this also provides more opportunities for you to stick keywords into that content. So 1,000 to 2,000 words of content provides you with 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for your web page to come up in Google searches. And that's also, like, we could stuff that with keywords in your area, etc. So that leads me to the next thing I was going to cover for you, which are keywords. What is a keyword? Keyword are the phrases that people Google to bring your web page up. So we want to stick as many high searched and high volume keywords that we can find within your area into your content. So let's go ahead and look at their keywords. AC repair, Montgomery, Texas, Houston, North AC, air conditioning, Conroe, Texas. So those are all really good ones. You want the locations attached because that brings you in buyer intent customers. Something that would just say like air conditioning services or something of the sort. AC Texas, for example. It's not as targeted as we would like, I guess you could say. This could bring up, something that's 10 hours away in Texas, and are y'all going to go and service that? Not really. So we want to bring in those really local targeted keywords to bring you in buyer intent customers. And let's take a look at your keywords. So you have a lot of all pro, all pro, all pro. And I don't seem to see any or very many location AC repair Montgomery, but there's so much more we could do for that to bring you in so many more customers. I believe that you were on, I went and looked, and I think that you're on page 9 of Google within your area. Your website is, yeah, so you're on page 9. So I definitely feel like we could, make a goal of getting you to that top 5 spot, top 5 pages, and move up from there. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about are the backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 224 times. That provides 224 more opportunities for this website to be seen, etc. If we look at yours, you actually have 584. So the difference is that not all backlinks are created equal. So although you have more backlinks than them, they have higher powered backlinks. So what we do is we go for the higher powered backlinks. So these must be just a couple of lower level ones. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own with the current company you're using, or of course if you want to reach out to me for more information, I would love to help you. All of my contact information would be listed in my email below. And thanks. Hope you have a great day.